Welcome to the future of drives maintenance. The EcoCare service plan isn't just a support package. It's an innovative next-generation service offering structured around a membership model that delivers exclusive benefits. Let me tell you about it in 60 seconds. Traditional maintenance is reactive, waiting for problems to occur. But with our digital-first approach, you get continuous monitoring, analytics, and expert support, helping ensure that issues are solved before they disrupt your business. As a member, you gain exclusive access to a powerful network of experts. Our smart system and connected services based on this platform continuously monitor your drives, applying artificial intelligence and advanced analytics to notify potential issues. You also enjoy priority response times for on-site and on-call service, exclusive discounts on spare parts, and much more, empowering you to reduce downtime and optimize operational costs. With a flexible subscription model, you reduce unexpected repair costs and optimize maintenance budgets. No surprises, just a proactive, data-driven approach to asset management. That was EcoCare for drives in 60 seconds. Stay connected, stay protected, and unlock the full potential of digitized maintenance.